tried to make this video several times. Several. Something's just always wrong, so I'm attempting it until I get it right. So after I put the food haul up on my channel, I got a few comments asking if I could do some cooking videos. So here I am. Today we're making curry. And the curry we're having is this Meridian tikka masala, which you can find in the free from section in your supermarket. This is expensive, so this is a special curry for special occasions. Okay? And I'm going to buy the shop's own curry sauces, like the Balti or the Jalfrezi, or Uncle Ben do a medium curry sauce. It doesn't specify what kind of curry it is, it's just medium. Let's get started. First, what I've got a pan over there on the boil because I'm going to boil some potatoes, because I love having potatoes in my curries. Don't know about you, but I love it. So I'm going to cut up some potatoes into little cubes and put them in there. Now I'm going to heat this pan up so that I can fry some onions in it. I'm going to put some of this in it because I love cooking in this. I don't know why, just like it. While the onions fry up, I'm going to cut up some mushrooms and some broccoli. My vegetables are cooking, so I just need to let them be for a bit and then I'll be back. My vegetables have been cooking for about 5 minutes, so now I'm going to put in my fave. The Linda McCartney pulled chicken. This stuff is like amazing. Look who's come to help. A lovely tummy boy. You come to help me. That looks about the right amount to me for one person. The strange thing about me is I love having garlic bread with my curry. Don't know why, just love it. So I have this little one which is frozen, which I normally have half of with each dinner. I prefer by a long shot the Tesco fresh garlic bread or the Morrison's fresh garlic bread, the ones that are in chia batters. They're so good, but we have this today, so I'm going to put this in the oven because it takes like 10 minutes and we're about 10 minutes away. I'm also going to drain the potatoes and put them in this pan, and then I'm going to put the rice on. I'm going to put the sauce in now. Lots of spinach. Lots. Yeah, that's probably enough. there you have it. That's how I like to cook my curry. I know it's a bit weird that I have garlic bread with it, but trust me, try it. It's great. Yeah, I'm going to eat this now and I'll see you for my next dinner. Hi, so this is my second meal that I'm doing in this little food meal series thing. So I'm making quesadillas, but I like to make them from a fajita kit. Why? I don't know. I just happened upon this way of making them and it's just how it works. So bear with me. What you will need for this recipe is potatoes. Don't judge. Yes, potatoes. Potatoes are really good in this. Just wait. You'll realise that they are really good in this. They are, I promise. Mushrooms, spinach, which I might forget to put in, but I'll try my best to put it in. See, I have Cavolo Nero, which I don't normally have, but I'm putting it in every meal because I don't want it to go off before it goes off. Wait, what? I want to eat it up before it goes off, so I'm going to be putting this in it. Don't know if that will change the dynamic of it. Probably not. Broccoli. A pepper. This is a very vital ingredient. It's the jalapeno cheese from the Tesco Freeform section. It's so good and it goes so well in this. Also some garlic because I put garlic in literally everything. I may put some Linda McCartney pulled chicken in as well because I put that in everything and it makes everything better. So a fajita kit. So I just get Tesco's ones because it's the cheapest one. Has all the things that you need in it. So yeah. Let's get started. My recipes, I literally just chuck whatever vegetables I have in the fridge into anything, so that might be why my vegetable choice might be a bit strange for this, but it always works no matter what kind of vegetables I put in it. So crack open my fajita kit. So basically I just fried the vegetables, boiled the potatoes until they're soft, and then we get the fajita kit involved. Normally in this fajita kit you get the tortillas, some salsa and some spices. So I'm going to put half of the spices in here because I like to spread my meals because I'm only eating for one. So I'll have this for dinner tomorrow as well. So I'm just going to sprinkle this in. It's about right. Add some water to this so that it doesn't go dry. So while the spices are like heating up, you want to heat a pan, like this sort of pan, which is basically like a pancake pan, I think it is. Just as flat as you can get it because you want to heat the tortillas on this without like being, it's just easier to take it out of a flat pan. So you want to heat that up. And then you need 2 tortillas. Ugh. So you want to put a little bit of butter in your pan and let that sort of melt for a little bit. And then you want to start frying your first tortilla. So I heat the tortillas each side until they're kind of crispy but not completely all the way crispy. So I put half of my cheese on top of that, and then I pour my vegetable mixture and sort of push it down and smash it down a bit. And I put the rest of the cheese on top and then my other tortilla on top. And then halfway through, when I think the other side has gone crispy, I'll turn it over and crisp the other side, and then that's about it. cut it up and then I eat it, and it's so tasty. Salsa that comes in the pack, which is normally quite nice. And I will also serve it with this Mr. Organic garlic mayo, which is so good. And that's my dinner. I hope you enjoyed it. Oh, and I'm having a cheeky Malibu and Dr. Pepper. This is going to sound so strange, but hear me out. I'm making pizza tonight, but I'm roasting some potatoes to put on the pizza. It's going to be nice. I'm sure it's going to be nice. I've cut up some potatoes and I'm just boiling them now. I've got a pan, not a pan, I've got a tray in the oven with butter on it, melting, so that they'll roast. Right, so I chucked them about a bit because apparently that makes them good. I don't know why. And I'm just letting them cool down a bit because also that's supposed to make roast potatoes better. I've also put some flour on them because I don't have semolina, but semolina is basically flour. Tell me if I'm wrong, I don't know. Now I'm going to put some of this garlic in there. Hopefully it doesn't burn. Maybe I should put it on later, I don't know. I'll just put some in there. This spoon is too big. I'm going to put some salt on them, pepper, some Italian herbs, put some onion granules on them. This might be like so overpowering, I don't know. It's probably a bit OTT, isn't it? Right. So my butter's melted, but I think I need more. Oh yeah, there we go. Let's put them in the oven and pray that they come out okay. This is really bad lighting, I'm sorry, but so what I've got for my pizzas, I got these Napolina pizza bases. I actually really liked those fresh pizza bases I got from Sainsbury's that were in my Sainsbury's haul, but these are good because you can use them whenever, they just go in the cupboard. I have some passata from Co-op. I have some pesto, free from pesto, and I have some mushrooms, some sriracha, and the rest of this Sainsbury's grated cheddar style cheese. Actually, I'm going to use my Tesco one. I prefer the taste of it. So this is just their mature cheddar cheese. I'm just going to cut them up into like slices, I guess. I normally put garlic on my pizza as well, but because I put quite a lot of garlic in the potatoes, I feel like I'm not going to need it. So what I like to do with the mushrooms is I put them in a bowl after I've cut them, and then I'll just like cover them in paprika because they just taste really nice covered in paprika. My mum and dad are having a Thai takeaway tonight and they've gotten me some spring rolls. Woohoo! I'm being so unhealthy tonight. Don't judge me. I'm gonna put my pizza base on some tin foil. Eat a bit more of this spring roll. I'm gonna cut into my passata. Oh, that bit my fingers back. I'm gonna add salt. I'm gonna add basil, oregano. Oh, sriracha. I like mine a bit spicy. Again, I'd normally put garlic in this, but obviously because I've already used quite a lot of garlic, I don't think I need it. You've got to taste it. Nice, but could be nicer. Into my pizza base. I like my pizza quite saucy, so now I want to put the mushrooms on. I'm just going to lay them out like this. Now I'm going to get some pesto and just do little dollops every now and again. See, this cheese when it's not melted is a little bit too sweet for me, but when it's on pizza it's great. Now I just need to put the potatoes on top. I might do that now. Just needs to go in the oven for like 15 minutes or 10 minutes. So I'm also cooking some spinach because I like some spinach on top of my pizza, but if I put it in the oven it like dries out, so I cook it on the hob and then I put it on the pizza when I take it out. It looks amazing, if I do say so myself. So just cooking the spinach a little bit, put some salt on it, and then I'll put it on top, and then that'll be me done. Yes. I always like to dip my pizza in this vegan Caesar salad dressing and some sriracha. I know that sounds weird, but it's really tasty. I mean, this whole pizza's a bit weird, but... This is future Alice coming to you while I'm editing this video because I forgot to do an outro. But thank you so much for watching. If you liked these food vlogs and you want me to do more, then let me know. I will definitely think about doing more of these videos. I think they're like quite helpful if you're just recently going vegan and you want to know what kind of meals people make. These meals all contained potatoes because I love potatoes and carbs. So yeah, if you want me to do these again, let me know, I will. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see this face, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.